What's up guys, and yeah, welcome back to a new video. So today going to go to redsand again and yeah, ride at the MHGP track. I think today's program is like 3 or 4 times 45 minutes of session training, where we cut off some parts of the track and just ride as fast as we can and focus on technical and speed for small sections of the track. So we break the track up in parts and ride them. Think it will be a good day. I'm all ready now to go. The last vlog is uploading right there. I had some problem with the music, so I had to take it down and re-upload it with another music. That's why some of you may have seen it. But yeah, let's go. I have my karma here and my backpack ready, so yeah, let's go. I think the weather today is going to be good. Sun is not rised yet. Yeah, it is, but not too much cloudy, little bit clouds, but not too many, so it's good. New bike today. Oh, are you driving me to the track today? Nice. No high five? High five? No? Okay. Quick run into the huddle room again because I forgot the pulse belt and my biking computers. So now we're on the road again. I need the biking computer and the pulse belt because I'm going, after the riding, I'm going back to the hotel for a recovery ride. From the track to the hotel is like 1 hour cycling, so it's a good, nice session after the riding with the recovery. But yeah, let's head to the track now. Then we have our ride at the track, so let's get changed. And we are changed, ready to go riding. So let's go. So now done with the riding, so the plan now is to get changed to some biking clothes and bike home from the track. So just got back from biking. Was about an hour from the track to the hotel. It's not too bad, but yeah, it was a good session. Good recovery ride, so yeah, the plan now is to just get changed and then relax a bit. So already evening here at the hotel. Was a good session down from the mountains biking, and yeah, a good day of riding. So happy with that, and yeah, just going to relax now, get some sleep, and get ready for tomorrow. So yeah, Mia and me, see you guys tomorrow again. What's up, guys, and good morning. So yeah, New Year's Eve ride, last ride of the year, 31st of December. So let's do a good day. I feel a bit sore after riding yesterday and biking, but today I'm only going to ride, do some stretching in the gym, and then done for the day, celebrate New Year's Eve here at the hotel, and then have a time off tomorrow. So get some rest for the body, that will be good. So about to head to the track now, so let's go. New track today, so the Stephen Leor track. It'll be a good day with some time practice and some speed training. Oh shit! Change of plans, 2 motos, and yeah, first training 30 minutes and then 2 motos, 30 minutes plus 2 laps. But yeah, let's make the best of it. It's a good training anyway, so let's get changed and get ready. Then we are on our way back home again after last ride of 2017. So that's yeah, good season, good year. So thanks everybody for this amazing year. Let's head back to the hotel now. Got Pelle with me here. Good. eating some salad on our way back home. So back in the hotel, gonna get changed and get ready to hit the gym now. But first I would like to thank you all for a great 2017 and hope to be a great 2018. So see you guys in the next video in 2018. Until then, full gas. Bye.